Seedance 2.0 is without a doubt the best AI video generator available right now. With it, you can create hyper-realistic videos with none of the usual AI bugs. Videos so clean that a regular viewer may actually start wondering whether what they are watching was made with AI at all. But it has one huge problem. Right now, using it properly is extremely expensive. To use Seedance 2.0, you either have to pay a lot of money to generate very few videos, or most platforms simply don't have access to it. So what if I told you I found a way to use Seedance 2.0 on desktop and on mobile for free with unlimited generations and legally, using only one platform and Google tools? It's true. Today, I'll show you how to do it step by step. The process is simple, but you have to click in the right places for it to work. Let's do it. A better free tool than this could come out tomorrow. If you don't want to miss it, remember to subscribe and leave a like. To start on desktop, open the Dola platform. And don't worry, because this is not a tool that only looks like Seedance 2.0, and it's not a lower quality model. We're going to use the actual Seedance 2.0, but we need to access it through this platform. If you want to follow the process on a phone, download the Dola app. It's available on the Play Store if you use Android, and on the App Store if you use iPhone. On Android, the listing shows more than 100 million downloads, so it looks like a trustworthy app. I'll leave all the links for the tools I'm using today, plus free text and image AI tools you can use, on my website in the description. I'll show you exactly where to find everything at the end of the video. The first thing you need to do is create an account. Click Login and sign in with any of these options. I'm going to choose a Google account. Then add a date of birth. It does not have to be your real one, and after that, you'll be inside a standard AI chat platform. On mobile, the process is the same. Sign in with a Google account, add a date of birth, and you'll be inside. The interface here is a little different, but don't worry, because we'll go through everything step by step. If you look around, there is no section to buy credits or pay for a subscription. This tool is completely free. I've been testing it for several days, and it has been generating text, images, and most importantly, videos. In a new chat, look at the bottom section and click where it says Create Video. The interface will change so you can generate one. The most interesting thing on desktop is that Seedance 2.0 appears as the model. You can generate clips of 5 or 10 seconds and choose any aspect ratio. I want these videos to be horizontal. This model has two important limitations, but I'll show you how to solve both of them later in the video, so you can keep creating without getting stuck. Now add your prompt and send it. Dola tells you it's going to create the video you asked for, and that it will use the Seedance 2.0 model. It also says it's going to use 2 points to generate the video, and that you have 4 left. Don't worry about that, because we're going to solve it in a simple way in a moment. About 1 minute later, the video is ready. Click it and check the result. It didn't just create a very high-quality video, it also added professional audio that matches what is happening on screen. But you can make the process even better. Open a new chat, and instead of generating the video directly, choose Create Image. Here, add your image prompt together with the aspect ratio you want. I want it to be horizontal, so I'm choosing this one. You also have options to choose a preset style that you can apply every time, so all your images keep the same look. Send it, and a few seconds later, the images are ready. Now choose the one you like the most and click Add as Reference. The image will be added to this interface, and now you can ask Dola to change small details or specific parts without modifying the whole image. That way, when you turn it into a video, it will look much closer to what you had in mind. Don't settle for the first result. You can ask it to edit the image several times until it looks the way you want. Also, keep in mind that sometimes, when you are editing the image, the aspect ratio can be removed. Once the image is ready, click Add as Reference again. But this time, remove the Create Image option, choose Create Video, and the image will still be attached here. Then add your video prompt with the aspect ratio and send it. Doing it this way is much better, because you control the smallest details of the image before turning it into a video. On mobile, video generation works differently, so you need to follow a few different steps. In a new chat, if you look at the options, Create Video does not appear anywhere. Tap AI Creation. Once you're here, this menu opens, where you can choose video. And in the Model section, tap 2.0. Choose the aspect ratio and duration, add the prompt, send it, and this is the result. If you noticed, Dola tells you there are 4 points left to keep generating video. Once those points are used, you have to wait until the next day before you can continue. But I know you want to generate more than 3 videos a day, so I'm bringing you 2 solutions. With the first one, you can generate even better videos, creating things like this. I created that video using Higgsfield. Higgsfield puts the best video and image models in one place. Seedance 2.0 is one of them, but here we don't have the same quality limitations. You can create videos up to 15 seconds long at very high quality and with no watermark. And you can also combine it with extremely powerful tools that are already inside the same platform. What happens if, instead of creating the base image with a random model, we use GPT Image 2, the best image generation model available right now? Add a prompt and ask it to create 4 images at the same time, at maximum quality and with no watermark. Once you have the one you like the most, click it and here choose Animate. This takes you to the video section. Choose Seedance 2.0, select the image here again so it can review it, and when it is ready, add a prompt. That image turns into a cinematic clip, all inside one platform, without having to pay for several different subscriptions. Also, after researching it, I found that right now Higgsfield is the most accessible platform for using Seedance 2.0 with all its features. If you want to try it yourself, I'll leave the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Thanks to Higgsfield for sponsoring this video. The next option uses a Google tool, completely legal and free, that will allow us to get unlimited generations. Open Google Skills. Remember, all the links for the tools I'm using today are available for free on my website in the description. I'll show you how to get everything in a moment. Click Join and do it with a Google account. Sign in and add a date of birth. Accept. Then click Join again and choose the same account you just used to sign in. After that, this window will appear and you need to fill in these details. You can put anything here. Click Join and then click Start Learning. On the left, click Catalog and search for this. You also have this text on the website, so you don't have to copy it manually. Click Search. Now choose the one with the exact same name, and in this window, click Start. This other window will appear, and you click Launch with 1 credit. It will start loading. This can take a little while, but once it is ready, it will give you these 2 sections. Now open a new incognito window in your browser, go back to Dola, and sign in using this. Choose Google, copy this, and paste it here. Then, in this field, paste this. And with that, you're back inside Dola again, with all your generations active so you can keep creating videos without getting blocked by the limit. If this error message appears again, go back to the Google Skills page, click End, and then click Start again. Then you only need to repeat the same process we just saw. Another problem you may run into when generating videos is that Seedance 2.0 sometimes refuses a completely normal video. It may say that it is not allowed to generate that type of content, even if what you asked for is safe. Sometimes it simply misinterprets the prompt, and it won't let you generate the video. Don't worry, because if you get this error, you'll get that point back. What I recommend is to go to your trusted text AI, or use the same text AI that Dola gives us, paste your prompt, and underneath it, paste this prompt I created. I made that prompt to explain what Seedance can and cannot accept, so the text AI can adapt your prompt and make it easier for the model to generate it without problems. To get that prompt, along with the rest of the prompts, the direct links, and access to the free AI tools, go to my website in the description. Open PDF guides, and you'll find the guides for the videos I have published so far. You can download them and access the information from each video, so you can copy the prompts and links without wasting time writing everything manually. You'll also find the free AI chat there. You can ask questions without paying, so it is useful if you want a free chat option for prompts, questions, or quick tests. We also added a model that generates very high-quality images. You only need to sign in and start using it. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.